Hey guys, you're live with MVI again, back in this 2019 Ram, and I got another video to bring you today. This will be a quick one, but from the factory, we've got this big console down here with the nice sliding tray, cup holder, nice for storage. Little area there for your phone, and I've just now made it a wireless charging pad, so you can watch the phone. And there we go, we're charging. So we can turn this into a wireless charging system for you too now, guys. Pop your phone right in there and let her charge wirelessly going down the road. So nice little upgrade, I think. I was trying to figure out what to do with this truck, and perfect little upgrade for you right here. So I'll get this on the site as soon as possible. But boom, there you go, wireless charging. As usual, give us a call, messages for more information. Thanks for watching.